Trader, risk beware. Risk is upon the indexes. They're all updated right here. I am adding the bull market SPX daily rally. We have come right up on day 5. We can go up 7 days and still go up 2 more days and make another high. It is possible if they can push it through. We do not see a favorable October. We do not see a favorable uh, into September, meaning that when they were on sale and we were issuing buys, we called the top. It's on the site there. 1 day, 2 days, 3, 4, 5 days down, 5 days up. Mathematically, net net, the trend is right about even though we're back at a top. However, it's not 100% overbought. No. And we did not get a daily buy signal. That can still happen, and we can still travel up to the highs of where we were over here on 716. Okay. And we managed to take this high is 56.69. That is the top of the channel of the resistance area for this relief rally that has a lot of risk. It's going to be harder to take them a lot higher from here. So the risk is to the downside, not the upside.